Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here sans ring light again using just my natural light. I hope you guys are liking this. I've been kind of digging it lately. Let me know down below how you feel about it. Today I'm sharing with you 10 beauty products that I love that are under $10. I've had this video on my video to-do list for months now. Some of these products I have been using and loving for months, and others are kind of new to me, but I wanted to share them with you because I think some of you will really love them. About half of these, maybe a little more than half, I did use to get the look on my face today, and I'm going to be popping in that footage to show you how I use them as we go. You can find all of these affordable products at Walmart. This video is sponsored by Walmart. I mean, what better place to find beauty products that are less than $10? Their beauty department is so extensive, whether you're shopping in store or online. I've actually been super surprised by how extensive their online beauty department is. And if you order online from any department, you get free shipping over $35 as well as free returns. So let's get into my 10 beauty finds I have been loving. I'm going to talk about some of the face products and just intersperse some of the miscellaneous items as well. So I have a few products, I think 3 products that I use to achieve this kind of glowy look on my face, maybe 4. So I'll first talk about the product that I use to get this glowy look to my foundation overall, because the foundation I used is not glowy. I'm going to link all the products I used on my face today because I always do that for you. I'm not just going to link the products I'm talking about. So the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion is what I used to just get this glowy look to my face. I did apply it underneath my foundation, maybe just 2 pea-sized amounts as a primer, just to give that kind of glowy look underneath my foundation. You can also mix this in with your foundation, and I did also mix in maybe a centimeter sized squeeze into my foundation as well. And what I like about this is that even though I do have an oily T-zone, I can still do that with foundations and it doesn't make me look greasy or oily. Another way to use this product is just dabbing it on over your foundation to the high points of the face if you like to do that. I didn't highlight with this product today. I highlighted with something else. There are more expensive products that do this, but this is a great economical way. Now, if you look online, you might notice that the price of this is more than $10. I have another L'Oreal product that I'm going to talk about a little bit later in the video, because when I bought both of the L'Oreal products in Walmart, they had a special and it made the price of both of them together less than $20 total, which is less than $10 each. So I did count that for this video because they're both such great products, and Walmart does do things like that pretty regularly. So I wanted to include that in this video. These are the only 2 products that I did that with in this video, but I could not include these in here because I feel like they're both so great. So the next product that I used to get such a great glow is this kind of new highlighter from Neutrogena. It's the Neutrogena Glow On Liquid Highlighter, and I have the shade Moonlight Galaxy. Is it Moonlight or Moonlit? It's Moonlight. This is such a pretty pearly champagne kind of pinky shade, but it's not unnatural. I usually go towards more true champagne beige shades, but I find this really wearable and pretty. It does set pretty quickly, and I find that when I apply it with my fingers or a sponge, I do want to kind of massage it into the face rather than dab, because if I dab it in, it will set and sometimes I can see some lines. So I do kind of like to swirl it in and massage it in, but it gives such a great natural glow. And I've applied it over my powder products too, and it looks really pretty. And it's such a great economical price for a liquid highlighter. Okay, I'm gonna pop in a body product that I cannot get enough of. Both me and my 14-year-old daughter have gone through a couple of tubs of this, and I don't know why I've never talked about it on my channel. I did talk about it on an Instagram story, but that's not enough. This needs more love. This is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. I have the pomegranate seeds and shea butter scent. Please let me know down below if you've tried this. This is such a hidden gem. When it comes to body scrubs, I'm so picky because I find that they either leave my skin too oily and greasy and I feel like they don't rinse off, or they just don't do a good job, or they leave a residue in my shower. This scrub is as close to a face scrub in texture for the body as I have ever found. It's a creamy type scrub. I'm hoping that you can see it in here. I'm going to zoom in as much as I can. It is scented, but it smells so good and so natural. It's just lovely, and I find that it really does do the job. The texture is nice. It doesn't leave a greasy film on my skin, yet it leaves my skin feeling soft and exfoliated. The little granules aren't too harsh on the skin. It's just kind of the perfect body scrub. It doesn't leave a film in the shower. It doesn't do any of those things that drive me crazy about scrubs. It smells great. It nourishes. I just love this. I feel like this could be high end, and it doesn't cost much at all. This is my favorite body scrub, I think. I have another high-end one in my shower, and I reach for this one so much more. I cannot tell you guys how much I love this. And I don't know why I've never put this in a monthly favorites, but it definitely needs to be in one for sure. The next product that I use to get this glow on my face is the L'Oreal Bronze Please bronzer. The shade that I have is called La Terra. This is a big bronzer. So this is the other half of that, you know, special that I got at Walmart. Just shop when L'Oreal is having their specials, and you will come out less than $10 a piece, and that's the way to do it for sure. This is such a beautiful bronzer. There are 4 shades of this bronzer, and this is, I think, the 3rd shade. I love the fact that they do have the 4 shades, and the 4th shade looked like it was pretty deep. To get this look, I didn't do anything complicated. I just took a big fluffy brush and swirled this where I would naturally get sun. I didn't do any contouring. I didn't do anything complicated. I just wanted to look sun-kissed, and this bronzer does a great job of that. It's easy to apply. It looks like it has kind of a sheen to it, but it's not gonna make you look like a glitter bomb. I mean, I have it all over my face now, and I do not look like I have a disco ball on my face. I have been really liking it. I feel like it just kind of awakens my face. I've been reaching for it a lot. This next product is a product that I have had for a while, and I kind of forgot about it because I used my eye sticks and my cream shadows, and I kind of just, I don't know, it was in a different drawer, and I don't know what made me reach for it several weeks ago, and I thought, what on earth have I been doing? Why have I forgotten about this product? This is the Revlon Color Stay Cream Shadow in the shade Praline or Praline, however you want to say it. It's what I have on my lids today. It's the easiest thing in the world to apply. They do have this little included brush in the lid, which I've used before, but I don't find that it's necessary. I use my finger most of the time, and even when using my finger, I really don't have to blend much at all. There are several shades of this. Most recently, I got the shade 735 Pistachio, which is kind of a soft green shade. It looks really, really pretty. I've still got to play with this one a little bit more, but I've had the shade Praline for quite a while, and I just love using it for kind of just a glowy, nude, everyday look that is just so quick and easy to apply. You cannot get any easier with getting ready than throwing that bronzer in your crease like I did today and applying a cream shadow with a finger and not having to blend. I mean, that is just about as easy as it gets. Okay, I'm taking a poll. Leave in the comments below if you are a daily hair washer or if you go more than a day without washing your hair. I feel like I should be a daily hair washer, but I try to get away with going a day without washing my hair. I can't go 2 days. There's no way. I've had people in my life, friends, that can go like 5 days without washing their hair, and it blows my mind. My scalp would be so disgusting and itchy, there's just no way. So today my hair is dirty, and the dry shampoo that I have been liking a lot. If you follow me, you know I'm kind of a dry shampoo snob. The 2 favorites that I have are high-end, and I recently discovered the Dove Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. First of all, the can is enormous, and this isn't like you get some free up here. That's just a descriptor. This is how big the can is. It is 7.3 ounces. I have fine hair. I have a lot of it. So, you know, first of all, volume and fullness, yes. I find that it doesn't leave a lot of residue, but it does give me some volume and some fullness. I mean, this isn't a super voluminous look that I've got going on today. It's kind of just sleek and straight, but it took away all the grease, and it didn't leave my hair looking ashy and gray or anything like that. And it smells good. It does have a scent, but it's not overwhelming and it's not stinky. Some of the dry shampoos, even the ones I like, just don't have that great of a smell. So yes, this is a really good dry shampoo if you haven't checked it out. They may have other versions of it, I'm not sure, but I like this one. The lip products, okay, I'm gonna save those. Now, I have talked about the setting spray before. It wasn't a monthly favorites, but it was last year sometime, and I haven't talked about it since. And when I tell you this is one of the best sprays, I can't get over it. I don't usually go for hydrating setting sprays, but this one, this is good. This is the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray, and it says dewy finish. If you have combination oily skin, you tend to stay away from anything that says dewy finish because you think you are going to end up like a grease ball. I do not. I love this. I feel like it is hydrating. It feels good. It does not feel sticky. It makes my makeup last longer, but I don't look too dewy. The last thing somebody wants that gets oily in the T-zone is to look too dewy because we make enough dew on our own. This just works beautifully. It says it locks in makeup and it hydrates, it protects from pollution particles, and it's moisture boosting. And I do feel like it does all of those things. I mean, I don't know about the pollution, but it does lock in my makeup and hydrates, and it does just, I don't know, make my skin feel good all day. And the spray on this is just heaven. I'm hoping that when this runs out and I rebuy it, because I will rebuy it, that I can use this for some other things that I like, and I don't like the sprays on them. Did I say that I like the spray on this? Because it's perfect. It's just this cloud of fine mist that just settles under your face. It almost feels like you don't have to dry your face when you're done because it's just that fine. So good. Okay, this is kind of a random product. If you saw my last Instagram story, you have seen this product. We just ran errands that day and then talked about our Sephora and Walmart hauls, and we did haul this product. I tried it at the beach. It was kind of a funny story because it was way more glowy than I thought it was going to be. So being that I am a mom in my mid-40s and we were on a girls mom-daughter trip, all the moms were like, whoa, what is that? But it worked and it smells good, and I think that if you are someone that really likes to get your glow on, you would like this product. And I actually think it would be really pretty to have on for nighttime, or if you really do want to shimmer. This is the Coppertone Glow with Shimmer sunscreen. It's got SPF 30 and it's water resistant for up to 40 minutes. So this isn't a mineral sunscreen. I wasn't putting it on my face. I was putting it on my body. I know that's still bad, but it's Coppertone and it had the pretty packaging and I wanted to try it. And they do have different levels of SPF as well. I think they had 15 and 50. It's a really beautiful shimmer. And I do think that, you know, if you're someone who likes that kind of thing, this is a really unique and pretty product. It went on very smoothly and it looked pretty on the skin. It was just kind of funny when we were on a casual beach trip to have all that shimmer all over me when no one else did. So that was it, but I did kind of like it. So I wanted to tell you guys about that because it's a pretty unique product for sure. Okay, finally, I'm going to talk about the lip combo that I have on. I have been really enjoying wearing this combo and wearing both of these products separately. I don't seem to hear a lot about Milani lip liners, but I've really been enjoying the one that I have. If you have a Milani lip liner, let me know down below. This is kind of just new to me. This is the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in All Natural number 4. I have been wearing this so much. It glides on easily, it wears beautifully, and it's such a great natural nude lip liner. I feel like you can never have enough nude lip liners. And the lipstick that I have on is the CoverGirl Cream Lipstick in Champagne number 235. It's creamy, it's smooth, it's just a beautiful nude, neutral, natural lip shade. The combination is really, really pretty. I feel like you could wear it anywhere, and that is what I have on, and I've just been loving both of them so much, and they're inexpensive. You can't beat it.